Hey everyone! In today's video, I am going to show you how to hide your online status on WhatsApp. This is a quick and useful tutorial for all WhatsApp users. But before starting the video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell icon for more tutorials and tips videos. Privacy is essential, and WhatsApp understands that. Sometimes, you might want to use the app without broadcasting when you were last online. You can hide to avoid unwanted interaction and to control your availability. Hiding your online status can also be a security measure. To hide your online status and last seen, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Now, tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. A drop-down menu appears. From here select Settings. After opening the settings screen, scroll down and find Privacy. Now tap on it. From this screen, you'll change your online presence. Now, under Who Can See My Personal Info, tap on Last Seen and Online. To hide your online status on WhatsApp, tap on Nobody under Who Can See My Last Seen. And after that choose Same as Last Seen on Who Can See When I Am Online. Now, your online status and last seen will be hidden from other WhatsApp users. Keep in mind that by hiding your online status, you also won't be able to see the online status of others. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips videos, and share your thoughts in the comments below.